Hi guys, this is Shiva. I am going to explain current affairs 2020. First of all, Pulikali. Pulikali is a colorful part of Onam celebration in Thrissur district of Kerala. Will be online this year due to COVID pandemic. Literal meaning of Pulikali is playing of tigers. Pulikali is recreational folk art from state of Kerala and mainly practiced in Thrissur district only. It's performed by trained artists to entertaining people who are coming for the occasion of Onam. On the fourth day of Onam celebration, which is Nalam Onam, performers painted like tigers and hunters in bright yellow and red and black dance to the beats of instruments like idukku and thakil. Pulikali was introduced in Thrissur by Shaktan, who was ruler of Cochin at the time of 1763. Onam festival is completed from August 22 to September 2. According to legends, festival is celebrated to commemorate King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam. Some of Onam celebrations are Vallam Kali, this is boat races. Pulikali, which was completed. Pookalam is a flower rangoli. Onavillu, this is an art like bow shape where the arts are presented on this bow shape. Onathappam is a worship. Thug of war is Onam Kali. Right. Next, biochar. Biochar is technically defined as a solid material obtained from thermochemical conversion of biomass in oxygen limited environment. There are wide ranges of uses with this biochar. It improves the soil fertility and nutrient to the soil and agriculture productivity. Recent research in Ghana said that cowpea improves the soil yield and change the climate change and reduce the global warming. Asteroid 2018 VP1. According to Center for Nearest Objects Studies at NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, asteroid named as 2018 VP1 that is on collision course to the Earth, which is coming nearest to the this is asteroid 2018 VP1 come nearest to the Earth on the first week of November. This is also known as Election Day asteroid. This is very small in size. Asteroids are leftover debris particles at the time of formation of our solar system. Eat out to help out. It's a scheme presented by UK government to economic recovery measure by the government to support hospitality business as they reopen after COVID lockdown in the UK state. Under these, government subsidized meals at restaurants by 50% from Monday to Wednesday every week throughout the August. The discount is capped by British pounds, 10 pounds per head, and does not apply to takeaway or for any even for catering. There is no minimum spend on this eat out help out, no minimum, no limit, and number of times customer can avail the offer. Next, Wolbachia bacterium. A study suggested that these bacteria used to reduce the spread of dengue. This is Wolbachia bacterium presented in some species, including some mosquitoes too. They are used. This used for wild mosquitoes eggs, and these are helpful for reducing the dengue. The theory is that bacterium prevents the dengue viruses from replicating in mosquito cells. Each year, up to 400 million people get infected with dengue. Approximately 100 million people get sick from this infection, and 22,000 people were dying for severe dengue. Next, National Security Act. The Allahabad High Court said that National Security Act order passed against the Dr. Kafil Khan, terming as illegal, and directed the Uttar Pradesh government to forthwith release him from jail. The court also declared that extension of the period of his detention under the National Security Act as illegal. Uttar Pradesh government had in February slapped NSA on the Dr. Khan for allegedly making inflammatory and proactive comments against the CAA, which means Citizenship Amendment Act, at Aligarh Muslim University in December 2019. There are some laws which are for detention and arrest. Section 50 of the Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC) mandates that person arrested has to be informed of the grounds of arrest and right to be bailed. Section 56 and 76 of the CRPC also provide that person has to be produced before the court within the 24 hours of arrest. In Constitution of India, Fundamental Rights, Article 22, Clause 1 says that arrested person cannot be detained. The right to consult and defend by legal petitioners of his choice. Review petition. Supreme Court has found that a senior advocate ₹1 in the contempt case for his tweet on the judiciary. A review petition is a judgment of Supreme Court becomes the law on the land according to the Constitution. It's final because it provides the certainty for deciding future cases. Article 137 of the Constitution itself gives the Supreme Court that the power to review any judgment or orders. This power only to the Supreme Court. INS Virat. INS Virat holds the Guinness World Records. It's the longest serving warship of the world. Virat is a carrier weighing 27,800 tons. Served in British Navy from 1759 to April 18, 1984. It was commissioned into Indian Navy in 1987, decommissioned from 2017 March, and Navy has been incurring expenditure since it has upkeep. In 2018, Maharashtra Cabinet approved proposal to convert this carrier into museum and hospitality center, but no way are taken. Aircraft carrier NS Virat is said to be scrapped, and shipbreaking yard at Gujarat will be soon. Next, India-China unsettled borders. India and China have unsettled borders and their own perceptions along the line of actual control. Line of actual control is the line that separates India and Chinese troops after Indo-China War 1962. Generally runs through land except Pangong Lake, which runs through water. Both sides have marked their areas, announcing with their belongings to which country the border is belonging. The lake is divided into sections called fingers. India controls 45-kilometer stretch of Pangong Lake. This is the lake from here to here. This is under the Tibetan region. This is under India's region. Pangang Lake is a endorheic lake situated in Himalayas at the elevation of 4225 meters. It is 134 km long and extends from Ladakh, India to Tibetan Autonomous Region. Approximately 60% of length is lies in Tibetan region. This is 40%. This is 60%. During winter, lake completely freezes, and despite being saline water, it's not a part of Indus River. It's a landlocked lake. It's not a part of Indus River. This is an Indus River. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.